within one. Okay.
It didn't look like an assertive stroke, but it doesn't matter. And a nice
is an eagle putt. This is for birdie, eagle, and Paul moves. Ball's going to go for the green in 2 here by the looks of things. It's a par 5. The flag is guarded by a mound and some bunkers on the right. The players knock it over the top of right there, and this is going to run onto the green. The flag is on the front.
Oh yeah.
She's going to have a good look at eagle.
This is what we're talking about on the back.
At the 14th, Georgia Hall tied for the lead. She's gone birdie, birdie, eagle, and now she's got that short 14th.
Yeah, less than driver even off of the tee. We'll get to that green.
Scoreable holes ahead of her. At the 14th, second shot for Georgia Hall.
Oh, very nice. Just because she didn't land.
No.
Second to the 15th. Almost bounced in. So Georgia's given herself enough to tie the lead. And this time it goes. Missed the one at 14, but aside from that on this back.
Land it short of the green in order to do that. And
Our co-leader Georgia Hall at 16.
This is definitely makeable. You can, or straight that TV tower and allow it to release down. There's a ridge halfway through the green. She just flew it. Oh, that came out very nicely.
Got to put some pressure on Boutier, and
tee shot imperative.
Looking anxiously.
Should kick to the left. Yes.
Yes.
That will be just fine.
The go zone for Georgia Hall. A chance to knock boot.
The more she goes at the pin, the more she has to carry. Like she bailed out to the right.
And she's your leader. Will it be enough?
Oh, that was a bullet right down the middle. Low. That should get some good trundle.
She had the tee in her hand